Pulled up today in that new. That man got. Oh, is it wrapped?
So it's just painted.
So they painted the whole thing again?
So just for hood. Yeah.
Damn, this thing is sick, dude. Red interior. So you optioned it, fully optioned it out?
Fully built it out. That's right.
Holy shit, dude. Dude, this thing looks fucking nice.
Yes, sir.
My man got the flat satin. What is that? What color is it?
So it's a dancing gray.
Holy shit. Open. Check out the red guts in this. Oh my god, bro. That's like brand fucking new, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yo. Oh. Smells good in there. What you put in there?
That's just leather.
Yeah. Dude, so is this stock?
All the stock.
My man's gonna start her up real quick. I'm gonna see what a stock 2022 Supra is. Oh. Give it a little gas. We'll do a charge pipe, pull their intake upgrade. Is that a, oh shit, boy, what is that?
It's a
Oh, cover.
Yeah, it's the
oh,
box
the
cover.
shield, okay.
Exactly. The heat shielding.
I'm about to close that YouTube. I came out here. You got a arm with speed. Carbon fiber intake installed. And an FTP Motorsport charge pipe. Looks good. Looks like some good stuff. We'll put the engine cover back on. Oh man, next, what you doing for the next install? What you doing, down pipe?
Yeah, I'll be down pipe.
Down pipe, you hear that? Dude, you'll kill everything on the street, bro. Now we're just gonna put the engine cover back on, which is over here. And we'll see what this thing talks about. Cockpit, man, my boy Chris's car, man. V58. I don't even know how to start it. Start.
Yep, put on right.
I might have to give me one of these. I want to feel the air out there, bro. Smells good in here. That's the thing that smells like that.
No, this really ain't no air pressure. All right, so my man had to take the front seat real quick.
What's up, man? We're my boy Chris walking this car. I mean, this is a 2022 Supra. We just did a couple bolt-ons to it, including a FTP charge pipe. And what was the other thing we did?
Cold air intake.
Cold air intake, right? I mean, this car feels tight, feels great. You know,
right.
I'm gonna go this over here. It's a little bit better.
Get it my way.
Yeah, we're gonna just see how the Supra feels, man. You guys know I have the 340.
Let's do
Mine is the manual.
Oh, I hear it. Oh my goodness.
Yo, man,
She
this
sounds
thing
good.
sounds good, man.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Whoa, bro. Jeez, man. I mean, I was barely even touching the accelerator, bro.
Yeah, I figured. I knew you were kind of baking it a little bit.
Bro, this thing is insanely fast, dude. This thing is quick, bro.
Super quick.
Wow, man. I mean, first impressions, I'm in love. Like, I want this car, you know?
I told you.
Dude, look at the way it handles, like, instant response. I mean, the cockpit is perfect. I mean, Toyota, BMW could have done a better job with this car, man. It's probably going to be valuable as hell. Probably similar to the classic Supra, the Mark IV,
yeah.
where in 20 years from now, people are going to go crazy just to buy these.
That's right.
I mean, you know, I'm a big guy. I'm big on the 6-speed, 5-speeds, but you know, this just drives perfect the way it is. I don't feel like it's missing anything. It feels like a DCT car, which is great.
Exactly.
Wow, man. We're gonna turn this bad boy around.
One more time, yeah.
And then fill her out. But so far, so good.
Nice.
Yeah, nice burbles too. This is not even tuned, man. This is a stock car.
Stocky.
Full bolt on with a down pipe. I mean, this thing would probably be scary. I just can't even imagine how fast it'd be.
Oof. Oof. goodness.
Dude.
What you think? I told you one.
Dude, bro.
I told you. Go ahead and get you one, man. Go ahead and get you one.
Give me one. Another rest.
Yeah, no, I said get you one.
Give me,
Get
a
your
Supra.
Get your Supra.
Dude, man.
stop
This
playing.
thing drives way better than my Beamer, bro. Wow, man. I mean, this is nice, dude. This is an intake. You got intake sucking, dude.
Oh my goodness.
My boy Chris, boy, you about to be, dude. You could be the Hellcat right now, bro. I don't give a damn what you talking about. Yeah, man. I mean, dude, this is epic. I mean, this is, you know, I've driven the Lambo, I've driven the McLaren. I mean, this is up there, bro, as far as handling, the way it goes.
Hit it one more time.
Response. You hear the blowout valve on that?
Oh,
thing?
I hear it.
I mean, it has no blowout valve, right? It's
Yeah.
artificial, but it
Still sounds
great.
good.
Wow. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm in love with this car.
I got your wallet up.
It's an understatement, man. I mean, it's tight. I mean, it feels like you're driving a damn, like a supercar.
Yeah, I know, right?
It literally feels like you're driving a supercar, man. So, you know, big shout out to my boy Chris, man. Definitely stepped up in the 370Z, man.
Oh, way different. Way different.
Yeah, now I can hang with the boy more and shit, you know what I mean?
That's right.
We're gonna go to meets, man. We're gonna call out some folks. We're gonna ride in the car crew. Man, that'll be fun, man. So, I'd say at least we got the things done. We didn't really have any issues.
Yeah.
Everything was smooth. Everything fit the way it's supposed to. Fuck yeah, man. Let's go eat some grub.
Was this already